Hi guys, so I've been kind of stuck for ideas recently, but I wanted to make a video anyway, so this is just kind of going to be a bit of a random question tag. I'm going to try and make this as interesting as I possibly can. Yeah, I'm going to try and make this as interesting as I can. Sorry, there's this thing in my room. I don't really know how it got there. Anyway, we'll just ignore that for now. What is the first thing you do when... I'm sorry. I should probably go and sort that out. Okay. What are you? Okay then. Ew.